Hi guys, my name is Jessica, and for today we will be doing inference for a single proportion from chapter 9, and today we'll be doing problem 58. So in this problem, we were asked to find a 95% confidence interval for 17% of the 1,500 people surveyed that said the economy was excellent or good. So by plugging this information into JUMP, we get a confidence interval of 0.1518 and 0.1898. So the real question is, what does this interval mean? We know that we plugged in numbers, we got this interval, but what does it say for the population of the United States who believes that the economy is excellent or good? So to start out with, 95% confidence interval means that 95% of the random samples taken encompasses the population mean in them. So say we took another random sample, most likely we would get another percentage between 15 and 19, not necessarily exactly 17 again, because we do not know the true population mean. So, using our confidence interval in regards to the problem, the proportion of Americans who rate the U.S. economy as excellent or good is between about 15% and about 19%. So that means under 20% of Americans overall in the US rate the economy as excellent or good, which is kind of sad since we have so many people and only less than 20% are rating the economy as all right. So that means about 80% of the population believes that the economy is not okay. Well, I hope this was useful to you guys and informational, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.